Hi, my name is Sandy Springer. I've been a teacher for 14 years. I have a bachelor's degree in elementary education and a master's degree in English as a second language. I have taught elementary school, high school, and adults. Today, I'm going to talk to you about how to teach power reading. Power reading is a way of reading through something without having to stop to read every single word. We know that when we read the newspaper, most of us don't necessarily read every single word. We don't have that kind of time. So to teach power reading, we would start by reading through and kind of picking out words that look important rather than read through every single word, the, and just read the other words that stand out, words that are adjectives, nouns, things like that. And that way you get a general idea of what the story or chapter is about. So power reading is a quicker way of reading something and still getting the idea. I'm Sandy Springer, and that's how to teach power reading.